Day 64. Love. The Unity Timeline. Command. Today I jump into the timeline of love. This is my reality now. Mini transmission. Love is not something you find or earn. It is the substance of the universe, the breath between every star, the code beneath every form. To live in love is to return to the original design, where nothing is separate and nothing is missing. Activation. Place hands on your chest and whisper, I am love. I give love. I receive love. Picture pink or golden light radiating from your body, expanding outward. Optional practice. Offer one word, one gesture, one presence of love today without needing anything in return. Anchor phrase. I collapse all other options. I live in the timeline of love.